Hi, this is Monar Hussain from Wix Web Expert. In this video, I will show you how can you update the content on your Wix website. Currently, we are using Wix Classic Editor. So right now, I am on a Classic Editor page, and now I will show you how can you update the content on a repeater. So I have designed this section using a repeater. So if you want to add or remove any item from there, then you just need to click repeater here. Make sure you are on the repeater, and then you can see here manage item. You just need to click on it. Then you can see under this repeater we have about 20 items. So if you want to remove any of them, just click here the three dot button and then just delete it from here. Or if you want to integrate a new item, then you just need to duplicate the last one, and then you can see here another item has been added. If I will scroll it down, copy of item 20, and it will take a new row automatically. Then you just need to change the name, you just need to change the paragraph things, and if you want to update the picture, you just need to click the picture. Then you can see here the change image, then you can see which image already have on your website, upload it. If you don't have the picture uploaded yet, then you can upload media from here. You just need to upload the picture, which picture you want to update. You just need to update it here, then just select the picture, then just click choose image, and that picture will be updated. So now I don't need that. I'm just removing this one, the last one. It's automatically named item 21, so I don't need that, so just delete it. That's it. So look like that way you can update the content on your repeater manually. Okay, thank you so much.